Shaq's unbelievable all-custom car collection. Alright folks, let's talk about a problem most of us will never have. Being too damn big to fit in a regular car. Now if you're built like Shaquille O'Neal, standing at 7'1" and over 300 pounds, you can't just roll into a dealership and pick out any old sedan. Nope, my man Shaq needs everything custom built, stretched, widened, and supercharged to fit his legendary size. Shaq's got a garage full of absolute beasts. Muscle cars, SUVs, supercars, you name it. But each one has been modified just for him. In his latest ride, a fully customized Lucid Air Sedan, an electric luxury car tricked out in true Shaq fashion. So what's been done to this thing? How does it stack up against the rest of his collection? Buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into Shaq's insane car lineup. Number 6. The Lucid Air Sedan. The Lucid Air is already a high-end electric car, but for Shaq, not roomy enough. This thing is nearly 6.5 feet wide and 16 feet long. Plenty of space for most people, but Shaq ain't most people. So he called up West Coast Customs, yeah, the guys from Pimp My Ride, and had them do their thing. Their solution? Turn the sleek 4-door sedan into a custom 2-door coupe with massive front doors so the big guy can actually get in and out comfortably. But they didn't stop there. Shaq's Lucid Air rolls on custom Superman logo rims, and the front badge now says Diesel instead of Lucid, because of course it does. Performance-wise, even the slowest version of the Air packs 620 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. But for Shaq, the real upgrade isn't speed, it's space. Oh, and before we move on, if you're into wild, custom-built machines like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next ride in Shaq's collection. Trust me, they only get crazier from here. Number 5. Cadillac Escalade IQ. Shaq's latest addition is a completely blacked out, all-electric Cadillac Escalade IQ. In true diesel fashion, this thing sits on massive 26-inch Forgiato wheels and looks like it rolled straight out of a futuristic action movie. The crew at Effortless Motors in California made sure it had all the right touches: custom wheels, blacked out trim, and a starlight headliner straight out of a Rolls Royce. Under the hood, or well, under the floor since it's electric, this beast has a twin motor setup pushing out 750 horsepower in velocity max mode. That's 785 foot-pounds of torque, enough to make those massive wheels move like they weigh nothing. A stock Escalade IQ starts around $130,000. But you know Shaq didn't settle for base model pricing. He went for the top tier Sport 2 trim, setting him back at least $150,000. But hey, when you're Shaq, you gotta go big, and you can afford it. And let's talk about that interior. Plush leather seating, a massive 55-inch pillar-to-pillar display, and enough legroom to fit Shaq comfortably. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling VIP suite with all the latest tech. Whether he's getting chauffeured around or behind the wheel himself, you can bet he's riding in pure luxury. It's the perfect mix of power, style, and comfort. Exactly what you'd expect from Shaq's garage. Number 4. Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast. Now you know Shaq wasn't going to pass up on Tesla's wildest creation, the Cybertruck. But he didn't just get one Cyberbeast, he got two. One for his main home, and another for his Las Vegas pad. Why not, right? This thing is a powerhouse. Made of stainless steel and carbon fiber, it moves fast, 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. Shaq's Cyberbeast has been modified for extra comfort, with custom seats that provide more space for his massive frame. The Cybertruck already looks like something from a sci-fi movie, but Shaq took it to another level with a matte black wrap and LED underglow lighting, making it look like it's straight out of the movie Tron. Funny enough, Shaq wasn't the first NBA player to grab a Cyberbeast. That honor went to LeBron James, but when the dealership posted about it online, LeBron wasn't happy and sent it back. Shaq, being Shaq, swooped in and got his hands on one instead. Now he's got the ultimate electric monster truck, perfectly modified to fit his massive frame. With bulletproof stainless steel body panels and off-road tires, it's built like a tank. Exactly the kind of ride that fits Shaq's larger-than-life personality. Number 3. Ferrari 355 F1 Spider. Alright, this one's wild. How does a 7-foot 1-inch dude fit into a mid-engine Ferrari? Well, with some serious modifications. Shaq's 1998 Ferrari 355 F1 Spider had to be heavily reworked just to fit him inside. First thing to go, the soft top. Shaq turned it into what he calls a forever convertible by removing the roof entirely. The factory fuel tank? Gone. Moved to the front to create more legroom. The seats? Pushed back 9 inches. Even then, he needed custom extra-wide racing seats embroidered with his Superman logo. Oh, and he threw in a high-end Alpine sound system because no Shaq car is complete without some serious audio. The license plate? It reads Shaq F1. Just to remind everyone, this isn't your average Ferrari. But let's not forget performance. The 355 F1 Spider comes with a 3.5-liter V8 engine, producing 375 horsepower, capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. It might not be the fastest Ferrari out there, but for Shaq, it's all about style, presence, and of course, making a statement. And let's be real, seeing a guy his size pull up in a Ferrari is a statement in itself. Number 2. Vanderhall Venice Roadster. Now, this one's a bit of a curveball. The Vanderhall Venice Roadster is a 3-wheeled autocycle, basically a motorcycle with car-like handling. You wouldn't think Shaq would fit in something this small, but surprisingly, he managed with minimal modifications. The Venice Roadster is actually pretty roomy for long-legged drivers, making it a rare gem for someone of Shaq's size. And with a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and a feather-light frame, it zips around with ease. Shaq was first spotted in this thing back in 2018, cruising through LA with the top down, blasting XXX Temptation. He's not the only celeb who loves these things. Jamie Foxx has one too. The Venice's open-air design and low-slung profile make it a perfect weekend toy, and for someone with as many massive cars as Shaq, it's probably nice to switch it up once in a while. Even giants like to feel the wind in their hair. And at number 1, we have the custom Chevrolet Express G1500 van. Now, you wouldn't expect a van to make the list, but Shaq's Chevrolet Express G1500 was anything but ordinary. This wasn't just any old cargo hauler. It was a fully customized luxury lounge on wheels, decked out with Louis Vuitton quilted leather, sitting on 20-inch chrome rims, with air suspension. This thing has serious style. And of course, no Shaq ride is complete without a ton of high-tech gadgets. Inside, pure VIP treatment. 100-inch HD movie projector, DVD player, Xbox, and a high-end sound system that probably shook the whole block. Shaq loved getting chauffeured around in it, kicking back in total comfort. And because he's Shaq, Superman logos everywhere, from the seats to the floor mats. Surprisingly, when he put it up for sale, it didn't fly off the lot. Originally listed at $45,000, It sat for a while before dropping to $30,000, an absolute steal for a one-of-a-kind Shaq mobile. And that's just a taste of Shaq's insane car collection. He's got everything from a stretched Lamborghini Gallardo, aka the Shaq Yard, to a Ford F650 Supertruck that's basically a rolling luxury suite. One thing's for sure, when it comes to cars, Shaq doesn't do small. Every ride in his garage is bigger, badder, and built just for him. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more wild car collections from celebrities, athletes, and beyond. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. We love having you here, and we love knowing what you think, so let us know in the comments. And thanks for being with us at Classic American Auto.